Welcome to my channel Beat the Math. I am Pavitra Munai. Today I need to discuss a problem of inverse trigonometric function. If you are new in this channel, please like, share and subscribe. The question is given: rectify the error if any in the following. Okay. The question is sin inverse 4 by 5 plus sin inverse 12 by 13 plus sin inverse 33 by 65. This is the question given in book. Okay, sin inverse 4 by 5, this is equal to sin inverse 4 by 5 root over 1 minus 144 by 169 plus 12 by 13 root over 1 by 16 by root over 1 minus 16 by 25 plus sin inverse 33 by 65 is equal to sin inverse 56 by 65 plus cos inverse, sin inverse x is equal to 1 minus sin inverse x is equal to cos inverse root over 1 minus x square. This formula has applied here. Cos inverse root over 1 minus 33 by 65 whole square is equal to sin inverse 56 by 65 plus sin inverse 56 by 65 is equal to pi by 2. The question is given: rectify the error. If some error is there, then we have to rectify it. You see, in this case 4 by 5, 12 by 13, this is x, this is y. In the book 4 by 5 is considered as x and 12 by 13 is considered as y. You see here a formula is given in your book: sin inverse x plus sin inverse y is equal to sin inverse x root over 1 minus y square plus y root over 1 minus x square. If x square plus y square less or equal to 1, 0 less or equal to x, y less or equal to 1. You see, we have to test whether if this condition allow, then we can apply this formula. Otherwise we cannot apply this formula. You see, at first we test 4 by 5 x square plus y square whether less or equal to 1 or not. You see, 4 by 5 whole square plus 12 by 13 whole square is equal to how much? You see, 144 by this is 16 by 25. This is 16 by 25 plus 144 by 169, okay, is equal to how much? 25 into 169, okay. So this is equal to 16 into 169 plus this is equal to 25 into 144, okay. 16 into 169 how much? 169 into 16 6 4 5 36 how much? 4 1 1014 and 169. You see 4 0 1 2704. So this is equal to 2704 plus 25 into 144. 25 into 144 is equal to how much? 144 into 25 is equal to 0 10 100 0 11 25. This is how much? 36 3600, okay, by this is how much? 25 into 9 225 525 25 into 600 512, okay. 25 into 25 25 into 6 150 that is how much? 5 7 5 17, okay. Then 25 into 1 25 4 2 2 5 4 2 2 5 25 into 169, you multiply again 169 into 25 how much? 522, okay. 25 into 6 150 2 2, okay. 25 how much? 4225. This is 4225, Okay, so this much is equal to how much? You see, this is equal to 4 0 3 7 plus 6 3 1 6 6304. You see, 6304. Again you add 4 6 7 3 1. Okay, this is greater than 1. This is greater than 1. The condition is given x plus y square should be less than or equal to 1. But here we are getting greater than 1. So we cannot apply this formula. Here this formula is applied. So this is wrong. So we have to apply this formula. X square plus y square greater than 1. So we have to apply this formula. Okay. So the mistake is the formula used which is not satisfy the condition. So we have not used to this formula. If you use to this formula, then this is wrong. Okay. So we have to use this formula. That means we have to use the second one. This is pi minus, this is equal to pi minus okay, sine inverse x is equal to 4 by 5, okay, root over 1 minus y square, that is 1 minus 144 by 169, okay, plus y plus x. So this is y x, okay, then this is 12 by 13, 12 by, this is 12 by 13, 1 minus 16 by 25, okay, plus sine inverse 33 by 65, okay. So this is equal to how much? This is equal to pi minus, overall this is equal to 56 by 65. If you simplify it, you can get 56 by 65. Already it is simplified. This is equal to sine inverse. You simplify, you can get 56 by 65, okay, plus this is equal to sine inverse 33 by 65, okay. You see here pi minus sine inverse 56 by 65 minus sine inverse 33 by 65, okay. You know the formula, sine inverse x minus sine inverse y is equal to sine inverse x into root over 1 minus y square, okay, minus y into root over 1 minus x square. If 0 less or equal to x, y less or equal to 1, okay. You see here x 56 by 65, that is more than 0, okay, then y 33 by 65, that is less than 1. That means this satisfy the condition, this satisfy the condition. Sine inverse 56 by 65 minus sine inverse 33 by 65 satisfy the condition. So we can apply this formula, is equal to pi minus, this is equal to how much? Sine inverse 56 by 65 root over 1 minus 33 by 65 minus 33 by 65, 33 by 65, okay, root over 1 minus 56 by 65, okay, is equal to pi minus sine inverse, pi minus sine inverse. This is 56 by 65. If you simplify 1 minus, this is whole square, sorry, whole square, x square y square given, y square x square given, okay. If you simplify it you can get 56 by 65. You simplify yourself, okay. This is 33 minus 65. If you simplify 1 minus 56 by 65, if you simplify root over 1 minus 56 by 65 whole square, you can get 33 by 65, okay, is equal to sine inverse is equal to pi by 2, is equal to not, it is equal to pi minus sine inverse. This is equal to 56 into 56 is equal to how much? 56 into 56, okay. So this is equal to 3136. This is equal to 56 into 56, 3136 minus 1089, 33 into 33, how much? This is 7 and this is 2047. So you can get 2047 by 65 to 65, that is 4225. This is the answer, okay. The mistake what is given in your question, you have rectified it, okay.